Welcome to Purpose Minded Professional.
When God made us humans, He gave us natural abilities and put us in an environment where we could put these abilities to use. Family, neighborhood, community, workplace, schools. We really cannot live in isolation of people in our environment. The people we interact with and the environment we live in develop us and provides a platform to grow and utilize our natural abilities. This is the nature-nurture chemistry. The debate of nature versus nurture by behavioral theories and psychological and biological theories on the question of human personality development provides some insight into why we are here on Earth. Nature refers to how genetics inform individual personality. Nurture emphasizes the influence of environmental and relationship factors on an individual's personality. Though the debate continues to rage on spectrums such as the sources of intelligence, contemporary views conclude that both internal, which is genetics, and external, which is the environmental factors, intermingle and modulate each other in forming our personalities. The purpose of everything we've been endowed with is to better people and leave a mark in the world, while also learning and sharpening our abilities by the influences of our environment, the friends we keep and the relationship, the communities we belong. Looking inwardly, therefore, as often as we can, to ask ourselves the question, why am I here? And also the questions, how much of me is helping to change the world, my community, association of friends for the better? What legacy am I leaving behind? Remember, you were born to contribute something to someone's life and help remind them that life is a journey that is about people and God. Again, my name is Dr. Omobude. I'll see you same time next week. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us this week. We invite you to join us again next week, same time. Make a perfect day.